Chocolate babes cannot wear blonde hair. Said who? Today, Geniuswigs sent me the perfect blonde unit for us cocoa chocolate mademoiselles. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and mimics your natural hairline. Girl, look at this lace. You can see, girl, I can see your future with this lace. Listen, let's get into this install from Geniuswigs so we can see exactly how it looks. Get into it.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tights, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved. But you ain't even flexing, 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 but you ain't even flexing. I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings, and sadly I'm uncomfortable with healing. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes.
boys I don't have time for. Trying my luck, I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end.
1, 2, 3. Talk to me, girl. Let me see. Okay. There is something to be said for the dark roots. I feel like when you're wanting to wear the lighter color hair, when you have the ombre effect and the darker roots, to me, I feel like that makes me more confident and feel better about wearing brighter colored hair. Because naturally, if I were to dye my hair, this is what I would go for. More of a golden with like a dark amber root, and also with highlights throughout the hair. I really, really like this unit. I love this unit. I like the hair, and I like how fitted to my head the unit is, because I feel like, honestly, I could go glueless with this unit and just use the adjustable straps and a band, and girl, I might not even do no baby hairs. You guys, get down below in the description box and check for all of your links. Geniuswigs has a really big sale and a great discount that they're offering all of you dolls. And listen, let me know down below in the comments, how do you feel about me as a chocolate drop wearing my blonde hair? Let me know what you think. And watch another video, girl. Get caught up.